Well, hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And we're about 16 miles north of beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona today. The intention was to go somewhere up there, those higher peaks, to the Tom Thumb Trailhead, was going to take us to this magnificent outlook. Problem is, we've had some thunderstorms in the area today. In fact, I can turn the camera around and you can see some dark clouds in the distance, and you may be able to make out some of those rain shafts as well. And every now and then I've heard a clap of thunder. So I thought, well, it's probably not best that we go up to the higher elevations today, because you never know, a thunderstorm could break out, could be lightning, and then worse, the trail gets really wet and you're coming downhill and you're just asking for trouble. But hey, all is not lost, because guess what we discovered? Lots of little surface trails in and around the Tom Thumb, that main trailhead. I mean, lots of little trails here where you can do several miles of hiking and checking out all the beautiful scenery that the desert has to offer. And it's a beautiful day to do that here. It's in October now, temperatures just in the 80s. So why don't you take advantage of my little walk around here, or our hike, and, sit back, relax, have a cool drink, and I hope you enjoy seeing some of the beautiful desert scenery. So again, we may not have been able to make it to the top of the Tom Thumb Trailhead. However, we still had a wonderful day hiking in and around that mountaintop you see back over my shoulder there. So again, keep subscribing to our channel. That, of course, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Don't forget the podcast, Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. Until we see you next time, you know what we always say, make it a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now from beautiful Arizona.